everyone, welcome to Unify Study. Yes, after a long waiting time, I am here for TOC Rapid Revision series because it was a requested video. Ma'am, TOC Rapid Revision is required. Yes, so let's start. In this video, we will learn all the important charts of TOC with tricks to remember because TOC is little bit difficult. Students are not feeling means it's very difficult, but it will be simple for you after watching this video. So please watch this video completely and let's see what we are going to do here. Here, how to identify regular, how to identify CFL means context free language, how to identify context sensitive language, and in detail what is the exactly procedure we have to follow to identify a regular language. And in CFL also there are two parts, DCFL, NCFL. How to identify which one is DCFL, which one is NCFL. Next thing is this type of question, how to solve, which one is subset, which one is superset, how to do it from the regular expression. And from this type of question, when it is there, then how to understand how to do it because it is able to solve using closure property. These are the types of question when they are giving it is which type of language, how we will solve it. This is also which type of language. And here it is a very important chart from where always questions are coming. What are the different types of language, which language is coming under which grammar, and what are the machines supporting by the language means which machine is able to understand which language, and even also the ordering is very important. Which one is higher power, which one is lower power, which one is subset, which one is superset. Students are getting confused here. That's why I will make it super easy. Just continue the watching. And after that the closure property. Here ma'am we are not able to remember it. How to remember? I will give you the tricks how to remember the closure property. And after that how to solve this type of question. Because they are not asking now direct question, this type of question, union, intersection, how to do. I will tell you easy tricks you can do every question. After that this is decidability. That is a long chart, lengthy chart. How to remember this decidability chart, and after remembering how to solve the question, how to apply that chart in the question. That is also we will discuss here. And before starting, if you don't know the basic, that basic is very important. Some important points of basic means what is language, what is here epsilon, what is sigma, what is alphabet, how to create the regular expression, what is the difference between A star, B star, AB whole star, AB star, what are the difference here. And after that, how to design ADFA. These are the some example I provide you so that for your rapid revision will be done. These are the very important DFA what you have to do. These are also I am giving you. But these are the part, this basic part, even also this question is also very important. How to design this DFA. Odd, even, odd, all the combination. So if you are not able to understand this part, for that I am telling you, please go to my TOC playlist. I am giving in the link in the description also and in the top also. Even also you can search the playlist also. In the home page also you can see the TOC playlist is there. I will request you please watch that TOC playlist if you don't have any basic idea of TOC. Then your basic idea will be clear and your means you will get the interest to learn the subject because this is a rapid revision. This is for the students, those who are going for exam. Before exam, it's required. If you want to learn in detail, then the separate videos are there for you. Please start from that. Okay. So, let's get started. And here, this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. I have 2 years teaching experience, 5 years industry experience, and join our Telegram channel Unify Study to get all the latest update and notifications. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, click the bell icon and please like the button so that I can be little bit motivated. And after watching, definitely comment in the comment section. It's boost my energy. So see, here Regular. How to understand the regular? Actually, regular language is not able to compare anything. And when it is a infinite comparison, that is not able to do. Means, what is comparison? Comparison means if the number of A equals to number of B and number of A is greater than number of B, number of A equals to 2B, or maybe number of A equals to B plus 1, like these are all comparison. If it is finite, means there are 5A, 5B. When there will be 1A, then there will be 2B. Like these are there, then it will manage because finite. But if it is infinite, then it is not able to do. What? That's why you can see how to identify regular. Regular means when it is 5, means nothing is there, it's null. Then no problem, it is regular. If it is finite, there is no problem. If it is infinite, then we have to think. You have to ask yourself two questions. If there is no comparison, only ordering, means what? A, after that B, after that C will come. There is nothing like that, how many number of B, how many number of C, how many number of B. No. Just they are telling A, B, C. Or it may be first B will come, then A will come. Or only A is there. That is not a problem. And how to do it? Here the power will tell you comparison is there or not. The power. Because here you can see if I am writing M, N, P. These are the different power. Means there is no comparison. But this one, if I am writing A to the power M, B to the power M. It can be M, it can be N, it can be any letter. When the power are same, that is meaning that yes, here is a comparison. Even also, it can be like that. Here is M, here is M plus 1. Here is also comparison. Even also, it can be given like that. M and N, the data are different. But here the condition can be given like that. N equals to M plus N. Then also it is a comparison. So you have to check anyhow two variable are dependent. Anyhow the power are dependent. And is it infinite? What is infinite? When the variables are greater than 0. Means it is an infinite condition. If I am writing like that less than 2, less than 10 means it is finite. This is a finite comparison. When I am writing this one A to the power N, B to the power N. But here it is less than. That's why it is finite. But same thing if I am writing A to the power N, B to the power N greater than N greater than 0. That is infinite. That's why this is not possible in regular. But this will be possible because it is finite comparison. Although comparison is there, but it is finite. So this is not regular, but this will be regular. And if there is no comparison means how it is? Just I will write like this, you can see. If there is no comparison, only ordering, then it's confirmly regular. So I hope it's clear. Just let me know in the comment section, yes, it is clear. Next thing, I will go for now how to identify DCFL, NCFL means how to identify CFL. First of all, you have to think how to identify CFL, that is context free language. What is the full form? Context free language. So as you saw here no comparison was possible. But here at a time one comparison is possible. At a time I can do one comparison. One comparison means power will be same. Just now what I told. Here this is A to the power N, B to the power N. This is a power. Power are same and it is infinite. I can do at a time one comparison. Or this type. This is also at a time one comparison. Or this one. It is also at a time one comparison. These all are possible using CFL. Because CFL is using stack. How it will do? CFL is using stack. Because it will push all the A's. After that it will pop and it will compare with B. That is A to the power N, B to the power N. whatever number of A's are there, because it have a infinite stack. Capacity of the stack is infinite. Any number of A, any number of B it can take. So it will push it and after that it will pop. That is the mechanism of CFL. Now what is difference between DCFL and NCFL? Difference is there when push and pop is clear. Means by watching you can understand how many A I have to push, after that where to stop and where I can start popping. That is clear to me. But when I am writing this, that is A, B, 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 A, it's very confusing. Here is some A, then B, then again B, then again A. Here machine will be confused where how much I have to push and how much I have to pop. Where to stop? What is the middle area? What is the middle area between push and pop? That is not clear. That is called, we will go for NCFL. Means it is NCFL means non-deterministic context free language. Now how we will do it? It is possible using push and pop, using stack, but here it is creating multiple copy of machine. Here it is creating single copy of machine, but here it is creating multiple copy of machine. One popular example of NCFL is WWR. Means it is actually mirror a word and reverse of the word. You can see here, you can imagine here is a mirror. Just ABB, this BBA. Means the reverse of the word. That's why this is a very popular example of NCFL. Now see, after that next thing is coming CSL, and another thing also very remember, it is have to be in LIFO order. LIFO order means last in first out. If I push the number of A, I have to pop it. That should be in LIFO order. So I am telling an example of LIFO order. Here is A to the power M, then B to the power M, then C to the power N, D to the power N. You may tell me that ma'am here is 2 comparison. Yes, here is 2 comparison, but at a time I will push all the A, then I will pop and compare with the B's. Then again I will push all the C, I will compare with D. That's possible. And it is in LIFO order. But if I am telling A to the power M, after that here is B to the power N, then C to the power M, then D to the power N. Is it in LIFO order? It is not in LIFO order. Because here the comparison between this A and C and B and D, how I will do it? I will push all the A. After that I have to compare with C, but here is B. What I will do with B? I have only one copy. I have only one machine. Then it is a difficult thing for you. Okay. So this is very important. Now thing is that what is CSL? At a time here I was able to do one comparison at a time. But if it is like that, when it is A to the power N, B to the power N, C to the power N, at a time means number of A equals to number of B, number of B equals to number of C. How we will do it? We will do it using LBA, that is linear bound automata. Here it is using the tape. Using tape it will be able to do when there is more than one comparison and if it is not in LIFO order. If it is not in LIFO order, then we can do it. Okay. So this is CSG, context sensitive grammar or context sensitive language, means it is able to do more than one comparison. It's done. Now see, now we will go for the question. So let's do some question. After that I am coming here. So here you can see this is a regular expression. How to understand which one is superset, which one is subset. How to solve this regular expression. This regular expression, try it. You can pause the video and you can try. After that you can see what will be the answer. So here it is starting with A. A will be there. After that B or A. What is the meaning of plus? That is B or A. B or A. So A is there, after that it can be, and as there is star, means whenever there will be star, then it can be, you can take it, you may take it, you may not take it. Means it can be lambda. It can be lambda. This understanding if not clear, I am telling you, please watch the recording. Okay, that is the video is already there. So here it can be lambda. So what is my minimum string? My minimum string is A only. That's why A. After that, what are the possible? That is AB, AA and so on. Means at least one A is there. After that, anything have to be. And it will start with A. Here what it is? Here is a plus. Means inside the bracket, if there is plus, means it's a mandatory part. And as this is a plus, means either A or B, anything you have to take at least one time. So that's why here minimum letter will be, this A is not possible. But here minimum letter will be A, B. Is it possible? Yes. A, is it possible? Yes. After that anything, that is possible. Now for this one, what it is? Here is A, here is B. Means only one A, not possible. A, not possible. But here it is possible. It is starting with A, ending with B. This one was not possible. This one was not possible. This is not possible. Starting with A, ending with B. In between, you may take A, you may not take A. Because there is the star. You may take, you may not take. So it can be AB, it can be A. After that, so many A, then B. These are the possibilities are here. So you can see now it is very clear which one is superset. Whatever I am able to do, whatever string able to do here in T, that string is already here. But it is able to do something extra, that is AA. That was not possible here. And whatever I am able to generate here, that string is already there. But here is the extra A. That was not possible here. So definitely R is greater than, then S, then to T. So which one is the superset? R is the superset. After that S, then T. That's why your answer will be this one. R is greater than S, then T. I hope it is clear. So please let me know in the comment section. It's clear or not. Now see. Now here this is another one. How to do it? Here this one is regular expression A star plus B whole star, and here it is A plus B. Then which one is correct? Pause the video. Think it. With the same thing, okay, what type of string we can generate? You can see here, as there is star, the star is very important. Whenever there is star, I can accept lambda. After that, A star, any number of A. And or B, it can be B, it can be AB and all. Everything I can generate here. This is also, here is lambda. After that A, then B, then AB and any number of AB. No problem. So ultimately this is also giving you any combination of A or B. This is also giving you any combination of A or B. That's why both are same here. Ultimately both are same here. Don't be confused. Don't think that as ma'am here is A but here is A star. Why? Same thing. Lambda is accepted here, right? Because of a whole star is here. Repetitively I am telling. If you are not getting what is the meaning of star, whole star, plus, please watch the video. The video is already there in my TOC playlist. Please watch that. Now think what we have to do, how to do this one. This one I am coming little bit later because this one you will be not able to understand now. Do this one. Try to understand this one. How to do it. Here this one is, which one is correct? All are telling you, all are asking you context free, context free, context free. Means ultimately I have to understand which one is context free and which one is not. What I told, when there is comparison, at a time one comparison, then that is context free. And when there is at a time more than one comparison, that is not possible. And you have to check the power. you can see here all the power are same. This all the power are coming same. N plus m, right? You can think like p. So it is ultimately a to the power p, b to the power p, and again a to the power p. Number of a equals to number of b, and number of b equals to number of a. That's why it is CSL. It is not CFL. So it is not CFL. Now the question is with this one. Is it CFL? Is it CFL? See that what is going on here, number of b and number of a, it's equals to this number of a. Means ultimately I can represent like that. A to the power 5 if I am writing. This is b to the power 3. This is a to the power 2. Like that. 3 plus 2 is 5 and this is 5. How can I do it? Yes, I can do it. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5a, then 3b, then 2a. It's ultimately like that. I will push all the a's here because all the a's is ultimately equals to this one plus this one. That is also one comparison. I will pop 1 by 1a and I will compare with this all. That will be done. That's why it is also CFL. So L1 is CFL but L2 is not CFL. So your answer will be this one. Now see, next thing. Next thing is L1, L2, L3, L4. These are 4 languages. From these 4 languages you have to understand which one is CFL or not. That is ultimately asking CFL. Because questions are coming from CFL only. All your question will come from CFL only. This is the fact. Now see. Pause it and tell me in the answer. What you think? Think it. Think it fast. Pause it. Think it. Then check the answer. Yes. So see. Here you will think that only this one is CFL. Because here I equals to j. It is your known thing. Yes, a to the power n, b to the power n. It is like that. So I will do it is CFL. But these are not CFL. What I told. Comparison means not only equal to, guys. Comparison means not only equal to. This is a common mistake of all the students. You are thinking that comparison means only equals to. No. Comparison means it is a not equals to, that is a comparison. It is 2j plus 1. This is also a comparison. It is not equals to 2j. This is also a comparison. So these all are ultimately comparison. And that's why at a time one comparison, this is also CFL. All are CFL. Be careful. With this one example, your total concept will be clear how to understand CFL. Now see, we are coming to the closure property. Next topic is closure property. How to remember the closure property. You can see so many areas you will get a long list of closure property that is not required to remember. If you remember this, that is enough for you. How to remember it? Just in the exam hall, write down first of all the operation. What are the operation? Union, intersection, complement, then concatenation, then star, then plus. This way, remember it. Union, intersection, complement, concatenation, star and plus. Now, regular, all are closed. What is the meaning of closed? Closed means that if you are doing a language with operation, whatever operation you are doing with another language too, then the same language will come. Means if you are doing regular, union, regular, then it will be also regular. Regular intersection in regular, it is regular. Regular complement, it is regular. Regular concatenation, regular, it is regular. Regular star, it is regular. Regular plus, it is also regular. That is the thing. After that, next DCFL. So when you are coming to DCFL, you can see it is only closed under complement. Remember only the exception. That is DCFL only closed under complement. Remember only that, all other are no. Now, CFL is not closed under intersection and complement. Write down that CFL means it is ultimately NCFL. Don't be confused, okay? NCFL and CFL. NCFL is the higher one, and that's why it is not closed. Right? Next thing is CSL. CSL means that is context sensitive. So it is also all are true. So CSL and regular both are closed under all. Here also you can see recursive also under all. Easy. And here DCFL and the recursive enumerable is just opposite. Here it was yes, here it was no. Other than that, these are no, here these are yes. These are no, these are yes. So easily, what is the coming? Regular, then CSL, then recursive. All are closed under all operation, everything. Next thing is DCFL. DCFL is closed only in complement. Remember only that. Then only CFL, that is not closed under intersection and complement. And after that, recursive enumerable, that is also not closed under only complement. Just remember the exception. Other than that, all are easy. In that way, if you are remembering, then all the question will be easy for you. I hope it is clear, and please practice it every day. This is very, very important chart. Now see that. How to solve it? Which of the following is true? Pause the video and try to recall. Here this is the option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Which one is correct here? Yes. So answer will be definitely this one, because the union of two context-free language is context-free, because you can see, and whenever it is asking context-free, definitely go for this table, don't go for this one. Don't do it. Context-free means definitely go for this one. If it is specifically given that DCFL means deterministic context-free, then only go for this one. If it is given context-free, then obviously go for this one. Don't do that mistake. So under union, it is closed. It is not closed under union. Why? Because when you will do DCFL union DCFL, then it will may come to NCFL. That's why they are not closed. Okay, that is the meaning. But when you are doing DCFL, NCFL or NCFL, NCFL, it will be always under NCFL, means it will be under CFL. That's why this difference is here. So always remember, when there is CFL, context free they are asking, then always go for this one, don't go for this one. So under union, CFL is context free. This was not correct, this was also not correct, this was also not correct. Intersection, no. Clear? Now for this type of question, how to do this type of question? That is, here is regular language, CNF, something is there. How to do it? How to do it? It is easy thing, I am telling. Whenever you will see union or intersection is there, always go for the higher one. Always go for the higher one. Now how to remember which one is higher, which one is lower? For that, here remember it, the order recursive enumerable is the topmost. After that, recursive, then CSL, then CFL, and actually NCFL, then DCFL, then regular. This is the ordering. So means you can see here, actually recursive can complement. Whenever you are doing the recursive complement, what is this? Recursive under complement. It is recursive because it is yes. Yes means If you are doing complement of recursive, you will get recursive only. That's why it is coming recursive. Union, recursive enumerable. The higher one is recursive enumerable. That's why answer will be recursive enumerable. Now it is CFL. Under complement CFL we don't know actually. Under complement it is what is it is not closed. But here is a question mark. Definitely here is a question mark. But which one is higher one? Recursive is the higher one. So that's why we will go for the recursive. Here regular star, regular under star it is regular. Intersection CFL. CFL is the higher one. Answer will be CFL. It's easy, right? So that's why your answer is this one. I hope it is clear. Write down in the comment section. Now the last thing here, it is decidability chart. How to remember the decidability. Achha, before coming to decidability, I told you this one I am coming later. That is this one. This chart. That is I told which one is higher one. This is you can see recursive enumerable, after that recursive, then CSL, then CFL, then DCFL. CFL means it is ultimately NCFL and regular. And these are the machines also very important. Regular is able to understand by finite automata. And remember one thing, DFA, that is deterministic finite automata, and non-deterministic finite automata, they are both same power. But NPDA, DPDA are different. Always NPDA is higher than DPDA, because what are the means when push and pop is not clear, that is able to understand by non-deterministic push down automata. That's why this is higher. And DPDA, that is deterministic push down automata, it is lower power. So that's why they are not same. LBA is more higher. Halting Turing machine is more higher. Turing machine is more higher. Okay. And remember one thing. Whatever DCFL means, when you are coming to this DPDA, DPDA is able to understand CFL, and means NPDA is able to understand NCFL. NPDA will be able to understand DCFL also. It is able to understand regular also. So means if question is asking that NPDA, it is able to understand which type of language, it will be able to understand NCFL, it will be able to understand DCFL, it will be able to understand regular. So all the higher power machine, Turing machine is able to understand all these ultimately. But opposite is not true. Means when you are telling finite automata able to understand only regular. They are not able to understand the higher one. How to remember? Just remember that. A class 1 student can solve the question of class 1 only. He will be not able to solve the class 2 or class 3. But a class 4 student will be able to solve the class 4 question also, class 2 question also, class 3 question also, class 1 question also. So when your class is more, you are able to solve the down class also, right? But you cannot solve the upper class. If you are in class 3, you can solve class 2, class 1. You will be not able to solve the question of class 4. So that's why just see that LBA, all the lower one I can solve, higher one I cannot. Halting Turing machine, all the lower one I can solve, higher one I cannot. Remember in this way. That's why all regular language is CFL also, but all CFL is not regular. And this is your subset and superset. Type 0 is the superset, then type 1, then type 2, then type 3. Remember this is very, very important. Okay. And what can be done by finite automata can be done by PDA also, and vice versa is not true. Clear? Remember it. Achha, now I am coming to the decidability. How to remember the decidability? See that in the decidability chart, here the first of all problem you have to remember. What are the problems are there? Problem is, it is called membership problem. What is membership? Any word is belongs to that language or not. Means take a word like that. AA. It is belongs to the language A, B star or A plus B star. Is it or not? That is called membership. Membership means W belongs to that language or not. L equals to null. L equals to null. Null means what? That is it a phi? The language is phi or not? That is called emptiness problem. L equals to E star. E star means actually all possible combination of your alphabet. That is meaning, right? Sometimes we are writing like this way also. That is sigma star. Means when I am telling that A and B all possible combination, is it supporting by the language or not? That is called the completeness. Next one, L1 equals to L2 is same or not? Just now we did an example, that is A plus B whole star equals to actually A star plus B whole star. Both are same. This L1 and L2 was same. This is called L1, L2 is same or not. Now L1 is a subset of L2. We did here. That was the A, B star is ultimately the subset of A plus B whole star. Because here I am taking all combination of AB. That is also we did. Right? That is called subset. Intersection is phi null or not. Intersection of two language means ultimately what? That is right. A to the power m, B to the power n. M. Intersection of A to the power m, B to the power n. This is two language. Intersection is null or not. Is there any common part is coming or not? Next thing. When I am coming to this one. So L1 is finite or not? Finite. Is it finite? That is, if I am telling the language L, n less than 10, that is finite. But when I am telling n greater than 0, it's not finite. So is it finite or not? Is complement L of the language same type or not? Means that is same thing. Means when I am writing A, B, A, B star, what will be the complement? It is starting with A. It is starting with A. Then what will be the complement? It will not start with A. That is the complement, right? So complement is coming same or not. The intersection of the language are same or not. Intersection of two language means that CFL, regular intersection is same or not. It is exactly means some of the concept are coming from your closure property. The L regular or not. Any language is regular or not. These are the problems. Now definitely all this problem, this lengthy chart you will be not able to write down in exam. Here also see that all regular are decidable. Regular is decidable under all the problem. Just all. Next thing, all the exception. This is undecidable under subset problem. It is undecidable under intersection problem. It is undecidable under intersection of two language. Means ultimately you can see where you are comparing two language, that is actually CFL is undecidable. Here CFL is undecidable. Here all this undecidable. You can see ultimately CFL is most of the time undecidable. Only it is decidable under finite or not, and here and here, that is membership and null. Other than that all are undecidable. So remember only the exception. Remember only the exception. For CSL also all are undecidable. Here is also you can see for CSL this is also undecidable, this is also undecidable. Only this one and this one is decidable. That is complement of language and intersection of language, and this one that is membership. Exception. REC all are undecidable. Here also undecidable, here also undecidable. Ultimately REC and CSL both are same. REC and CSL both are same. No difference. Both are same. Recursive enumerable all are undecidable. All are undecidable for recursive enumerable. That's all. That's why here you can write like that. Regular, here you can write like that. It's decidable under all. CFL emptiness, where it is decidable. CSL is there, REC is here, and CFL is there. In that way you can remember. Because it's definitely, if you are trying to remember in this total, it is very confusing. Try to remember only exception. Write down the exception list. Others are all true. That's done. Now here the question, how to solve the question. It is asking you which of the problem is decidable under recursive language. Recursive means R-E-C and recursive enumerable means R-E. Remember it. It's asking you recursive. Pause the video. Try to think which one was decidable under recursive. Yes. So see that chart. Here it was recursable. L is phi. L equals to phi. L equals to phi. It was undecidable here. It is completeness, that is sigma star. Sigma star, it was also undecidable. Next thing, L equals to R. It is a regular or not? Where R is the regular set. So is it a regular language or not? It is also undecidable. Next thing, membership function, W belongs to L, that is membership. So under membership it was decidable. Under membership it was decidable, and that's why your answer will be under membership it is decidable. That's all. So you have to remember only exception. That is only exception. If you are able to remember, you can do the answer, right? Next thing, L1, L2. Here what is the L1, L2? Intersection phi means L1 intersection L2 equals to phi is undecidable for the context sensitive language. Recall it, under intersection context sensitive, is it decidable or not? And it is ultimately membership problem, context sensitive. So go for context sensitive, right? Check the context sensitive here. What was there under context sensitive? If you see the context sensitive under intersection, it is asking you intersection is phi. So intersection of two language is phi or not? Where it was? That was here. L1 equals to subset intersection of two language. L1 intersection L2 is null or not? That is ultimately L1 intersection L2 equals to phi or not? Under context sensitive it was undecidable. So that's why this statement is true. It is undecidable. And this is your membership problem. Membership problem is decidable. Membership is decidable here. Context sensitive, whenever you are coming to the membership problem, W belongs to this language, that is decidable. It is W belongs to L. It is decidable. That is also correct. It is decidable. So that's why here your answer will be this one also correct, this one also correct, because it was asking undecidable. Yes, it is undecidable. It is decidable. Yes, it is decidable. Both are true here. So I hope you understand everything. All these are clear to you. Thanks for watching. Join our Telegram channel Unify Study Computer Science. And if you want the paid course, complete course with the PDF, complete PDF of TOC with all the previous year's question in detail, you want to learn, like you want to make the TOC total clear, and not only TOC, total computer science, any subject of computer science. If you are preparing for exam and any type of exam, if you want to crack it, then you can WhatsApp me in this number 8697365460. And it's a request, please don't disturb me. Please don't call me unnecessarily. Please don't send unnecessary message. If you are really interested to study, then only send me message, and maybe I will try to reply you. But please, it is a request, don't disturb me, please. So if you like this video, then please let me know in the comment section. There's all the other question we did. And here one question was missed, I think, this question, right here. No, this question also we did. One question we missed. Anything question? This question, that was intersection. So how to understand intersection? Because L1, what type of language it is, and it is what type of language? Tell me, let me know in the comment section. Here it is, no comparison is there, it's definitely regular. Here comparison, here also comparison. So which type of language? That is CFL. Whenever you are doing CFL intersection regular, then I have to take the higher one, and that's why it will be context free, not regular. I told you from the closure property also, whenever you are doing intersection, then we have to go for the higher one, and you have to understand the language also. This is comparison, at a time one comparison. That's why answer will be this one. I hope you like this video. Please let me know in the comment section and share this video to all of your friends, and let me know in the comment section also what other subject you want. So keep watching and best wishes for your exam. Thank you. Bye bye.